Do you want to see all your bank accounts in one single application? Let's say you have an account with the Bank of Ireland, another account with the AIB, and a third one with the permanent TSB. Right now, for you to see the balances of all these accounts, you will have to log into the apps of each of these banks' applications separately, right? Imagine you have one single application where you can see the balances of all your accounts, the transactions, and all the details. Yes, in one single application. Well, now you can actually do that thanks to Revolut. In the first part of this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Bank of Ireland account into your Revolut. To add a Bank of Ireland account into Revolut, you need three things on your phone. First of all, of course, you need the Revolut application. The second thing you need is the Bank of Ireland's online 365 application, and you must be registered for using online banking. And the third step is to download the keycode application from the Bank of Ireland as well. This keycode application can be downloaded just like any other applications from the Play Store. Now, the first step is to register yourselves for the keycode application. For this, you will have to first go into your online 365. Please note that you will have to use a web browser like a Google Chrome or Safari, and then log into your online 365 to register for keycode application. So basically you have to download the keycode application, and then you have to register for the keycode application on the online 365 profile of your online banking. So you're going into the browser. You have to select login, type in your user ID and the PIN number as you log in usually. You now have to go to manage accounts, go all the way down, select manage keycode application. Go all the way down and click on register. It will now show you a new screen which tells you that a security code will be sent to your mobile phone that is registered for online banking. Click continue. You will now receive a text. There we go. That's a text message with the security code. You will have to put the number back onto the web page of online 365. So go back into online banking, type in the PIN number that you received in SMS and select continue. So you can see the steps here. The first step is to get the security code. We have done that. The second step is to enter the security code. We have done that as well. The third step is download application and enter serial number. So we're going into the Play Store, type in Bank of Ireland key code, select download, click open. So you have the serial number here in the first page. Note the number down. Go back to your online banking on the web browser. So this is the serial number you got from the keycode application that you have to type here and select continue. This now gives you a password. Note the number down. You will now have to go back to your keycode application, select next and type that password down here and select next. This will then give you a registration code. Note the registration code down. Now you have to go back to your online 365 profile, type the registration number down here. Continue. I've selected yes on the confirm registration token. They go back to your key code, so select yes there. You will now have to create a new PIN number. This is the PIN number that you will be using to log into the keycode application every time you try to log into the keycode application. So I will make a number up here, select OK. You are now registered keycode application user. You now have to go to Revolut, log back in. So this is the home page of my Revolut account. Go into linked. It says link other accounts, Revolut, and manage your money in one place. Select start. It will then show you the different banks whose account that you can link onto your Revolut application. It will then ask you to choose the bank. So in this case, this is Bank of Ireland. It's then asking you if you give the permission for Revolut to take your bank details. At this stage, you're probably wondering, is it safe enough to let a third-party application to access your bank data? Well, as per the Bank of Ireland website, it says that when a third-party application is requesting for your account details from your bank, the Bank of Ireland has to actually check and see if the third-party application is approved by Financial Authority of Ireland. Revolut is an approved application, but I always recommend you to have a look at the terms and conditions. Hit confirm. It then takes you to a new page. It is a Bank of Ireland account access approval page here. So service allow you to manage third-party access to your Bank of Ireland accounts. You must be a Bank of Ireland customer, being all those things. So it's asking, have you got the Bank of Ireland key code downloaded and registered, and are you registered with 365? Yes, you are. You select yes there. Now it's asking you to type in a 365 user ID. So here you will have to type the usual user ID that you use to log into your online banking for the online 365. So you have to type in that number. It's then asking for a password.
This password, please note this password is not the password or the PIN number that you use for your online 365 login. Why don't you use that number? For security reasons, because that PIN number is a specific number and you use that number all the time. Whereas if you use a key code, it's a new number every time. And this is when you need the use of key code. So you go back into key code once again, type in your PIN number, select password, it'll give you a new password. This password will last only for 60 seconds. So note the number down, go back to the access page, type in this new password, select continue. We are almost there. Select the accounts that you want to link to Revolut. You can either select all accounts, I can choose 1 or 2, or in my case I have 3 accounts, 2 current accounts and a credit card. I select them, it says account selected, and you hit complete. And it says you have successfully connected your Bank of Ireland account to your Revolut account. So you go back to your Revolut application, log in. You will now see in your homepage the total balance of all the accounts that you have at the Bank of Ireland. If you select this down button, you can see the different accounts that you have. The first account, the second account. The credit card account was not linked. Now, you can select a new account. I can choose a different bank if I want to. So let's say if I have an account with AIB or PTSB or Ulster Bank, I can select that, and it's a similar process for all the banks. The next video, I'll show you how to link an AIB account onto this Revolut application. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, please hit like and consider subscribing. Thank you.